Hello everyone, I am Deepak Rathore, Assistant Professor in Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies in the Department of Information and Communication Technology. Today I am going to present my lecture topic on Introduction to Entrepreneurship. A person who sets up a business or businesses taking on financial risks in the hope of profit. An entrepreneur is an individual who creates a new business bearing most of the risk and enjoying most of the rewards. The entrepreneur is commonly seen as an innovator, a source of new ideas, goods, services, and business. Now, the characteristic of entrepreneurs. People may lack the personality and skills necessary for successful internships. There are some general characteristics and skills that many successful entrepreneurs have. First, problem solving. Entrepreneurs often start their businesses after identifying a problem and then coming up with a way to address it. Entrepreneurs are also able to figure out how to solve problems that will occur during the development of the business. And second one, innovation. Entrepreneurs are innovators and are often engaged continuously in the process of conceiving new products and services, renewing and improving current offerings, and developing new business processes. Third one, risk taking. Entrepreneurs are not risk adverse. They are willing to risk their time, money, and even their reputation to get the business started and take their products or services to the market. Entrepreneurs are also willing to take risks even after they establish a business, developing new products and approaches that can grow their businesses. Fourth one, containerness. Entrepreneurs are often people who are eager to question why and how things are being done, even if these processes are clearly industry standards. This does not mean an entrepreneur should ignore industry best practices, but the entrepreneur is also willing to challenge these practices if she or he believes that there is a better way to do them. Then, fifth one, persistence. Entrepreneurs are persistent. They are not easily discouraged and are willing to work through discouragement and challenges. Entrepreneurs are also willing to attend trade shows, meet with bankers, call on clients, and do what it takes to get the business started and then to make it successful. Sixth one, leadership. Successful entrepreneurs are strong leaders. Leadership is an essential entrepreneurial skill. As an entrepreneur, you will need to be able to cultivate trust and support from the people who join his business as a managers and workers. Many new businesses are cash poor and experience significant challenges, but a good leader can inspire loyalty in workers who may not yet be receiving high wages, as well as in employees who are facing roadblocks in their efforts to build the company. Now, the functions of entrepreneur. The following points highlight the top 5 functions of an entrepreneur. The functions are decision making, management control, division of income, risk taking and uncertainty bearing, and the last, innovation. Now, we explain these step by step. First, decision making. The primary task of an entrepreneur is to decide the policy of production. An entrepreneur is to determine what to produce, how much to produce, how to produce, where to produce, and how to sell, and so forth. Moreover, he is to decide the scale of production and the proportion in which he combines the different factors he employs. In brief, he is to make vital business decisions relating to the purchase of productive factors and to the sale of the finished goods or services. Second one, management control. Earlier writers used to consider the management control one of the chef function of the entrepreneur. Management and control of the business are conducted by the entrepreneur himself. So, the latter must possess a high degree of management ability to select the right type of persons to work with him. But the importance of this function has declined as a business nowadays is managed more and more by paid managers. And third one, division of income. The next major function of the entrepreneur is to make necessary arrangement for the division of total income among the different factors of production employed by him. Even if there is a loss in the business, he is to pay rent, interest, wages, and other contractual incomes out of the realized sale proceeds. Now, fourth one, risk taking and uncertainty bearing. Risk taking is perhaps the most important function of an entrepreneur. Modern production is very risky as an entrepreneur is required to produce goods or services in anticipation of their future demand. Broadly, there are two kinds of risk which he has to face. Firstly, there are some risks such as risk of fire, loss of goods in transit, theft, etc., which can be insured against. These are known as measurable and insurable risks. Then the second one, some risks, however, cannot be insured against because their probability cannot be calculated accurately. These constitute what is called uncertainty. For example, competitive risks and technical risks likewise. The entrepreneur undertakes both these risks in the production. And fifth, we have innovation. Another distinguishing function of the entrepreneur, as emphasized by Schumpeter, is to make frequent inventions. Inventions of new products, new techniques, and discovering new markets to improve this competitive position and to increase earnings. I hope you understand this topic. Please like, share, and subscribe Tecnia TV. Thank you.